Damn. Stop fucking repeating yourself. Damn. No one cares about a fucking ants. No one cares about anything else. Like, has to be going off, repeating himself non-stop. Damn. Sheesh, 3 fucking crazy people I have to deal with? I can't fucking deal with this anymore. Damn. Oh, I can't even listen to anything? No, that has to be to his? No. Bitch. Damn. Fucking crazy. Damn. Fucking crazy. I can't fucking stand it anymore.
Imagen, poniendo a México en la misma sintonía.
Con 41 ya se recuperaron los empleos perdidos durante la pandemia de COVID-19, así lo aseguró Zoé Robledo, director general del Instituto Mexicano del Seguro Social. Los detalles los tiene Patricia Rodríguez Calvo.
México no solo recuperó los empleos que se perdieron a consecuencia de la pandemia de COVID-19, sino que superó la cifra que se tenía antes de la emergencia sanitaria, señaló Zoé Robledo, director general del IMSS. Detalló que hasta septiembre, que registró 172.492 puestos de trabajo, se logró el segundo incremento más alto para un mismo mes desde que se tiene registro. Por tanto, ya se logró que en los últimos 12 meses se generaran 814.439 nuevos empleos, lo cual es equivalente a una tasa anual de 4%, que es igual a la del mes anterior. Robledo Adulto agregó que actualmente en total existen 21.409.358 puestos de trabajo registrados en el Seguro Social, donde el 86.6% son permanentes y el 13.4% son eventuales, de acuerdo al último reporte de empleo publicado este 5 de octubre.
Un asunto más, con una creación de empleo de 814,000. Entonces ya superamos el nivel prepandemia, ya recuperamos lo que
Good work, Joe. You have to work, Joe. Joe, sorry.
Ahora estamos en una creación de empleo de casi 700,000 nuevos completamente respecto al último registro.
Para imagen, Patricia.
Oh, yes, I won $20. Thank you, Joe, very much. You're a good person, Joe.
42, en más información, autoridades del estado de Tlaxcala y entonces están la declaratoria por Tlaxcala para salvaguardar el en San Francisco.
Love you, dipstick. Is that what time it is for real? 7:43?
Yeah.
Who's some of this one, a Chevron? I like to shake in the. I want $20 and then $5 scratcher, please. Thank you, Joe. You're a good worker, Joe. You have the good work. Time's on. Shoot. Thank you, Joe. You're a good worker, Joe. Are you much better than you were yesterday morning? Are you feeling better? Really or not?
No, it's just a lot going on.
Poor guy.
No, it's a
You're a
lot
good worker.
crazy.
I know. Look at the base up. Seriously, I can only imagine what you've been doing. How much you make an hour?
I don't know if I can disclose that. I know it's kind of
Like what?
I don't know. It's just those. Yeah, it's just like a lot of places don't like people disclosing certain things.
I'm sorry. I am really sorry for you. Joe. You're gonna feel sorry for Joe. You work with your dog. You work hand and foot. You know, work your butt. Hopefully you get $17 an hour, because that is. Yes, Mom. What happened, you think? I tried it several times. I'm so sure with no gold 8 pounds. That's me, probably me. I've been trying to make sure what. I don't know, Mom. I really gold 8 pounds. Really gold 8 pounds. Okay? Please. But please.
Vamos a escuchar.
No, not yet. I will today. For real. At time. I won't. I don't lose. I have my wallet. Goodbye, Mom. Goodbye, Mom.
Game the door slam. Stop slamming the doors. Damn. Going non-stop today on his fucking crap, cycling through all the fucking crap. No one gives a damn. Fucking annoying. She's addicted to buying fucking lottery tickets. Spends way too much on it.
A la Secretaría de la Defensa Nacional.
Hurry up, I have other things to do.
3 días después de ese hecho, en la entrevista con Excelsior e Imagen en la Secretaría de Economía, cuando le pregunté si ella, igual que en la campaña presidencial, igual que en su tiempo como diputada federal, mantenía su postura en contra de la militarización de la seguridad pública. Vamos a escuchar.
Cámara de Diputados, me tocó hacer un grupo con Seguridad Sin Guerra, en donde expusimos los motivos de por qué creíamos y por qué creemos, ¿no?, que no debía ser el ejército el que jugara un rol de cierta naturaleza, y jamás recibí una mención o una llamada a decir, oye, reconsidera o considera, de una manera extremadamente respetuosa, no solamente del presidente, sino de todo el grupo parlamentario. Totalmente.
Okay, it's coming back. More door slams and red fucking repetition.
Yeah, it's too long. The line's too long. Sorry, the line's too long. Thank you, Joe. You're waiting for me on. Yes. Thank you, Joe. You're a very kind person. You'll get to work and you'll be going places more than ever. So what? Wish you luck. Wish you luck working today, Joe. Love you, Joe. No, I mean, I love you, Joe. On 5 days with my 39th birthday. I'm 39, 5 days. How old are you, Joe?
Yeah.
How old are you, Joe? How old are you?
I heard you, but 33.
Oh, God. At least you're more stable than you were yesterday. At least you know where you're going.
I always know where I'm going.
I'm just saying, because last time you were like acting so, like you were tired, very tired.
I wasn't tired, I was wide awake.
Yeah,
if I was tired, I would actually been at the, like, leaning down, or falling down.
I love you, Dipstick, as a friend, you know that?
Para que todos los niños reciban los juguetes que pidieron.
Entregamos 15 millones de paquetes de útiles escolares. Seguir impulsando.
You're a good worker, Joe. You'll be going places more than my ex-girlfriend.
Con más de 662,000 becas entregadas. Seguir fortaleciendo la infraestructura educativa. Construimos y rehabilitamos más de 7,700
espacios. Working today.
Seguimos siendo
I'll see you tomorrow again, and then I don't know about
se
We'll see
llene
about my
de
schedule this week, Jay.
Mamá,
Jay.
como que quiero hacerme un cambio. No, estás guapa.